Hi, welcome to CAD-TECH. For today's tutorial, we will recreate this mag wheels drawing. This is our exercise 11 of our 20 days to the CAD exercises. To start with our drawing, let's set our units first. So type units in your command line. Set your units into centimeters and precision 0. Now let's start. To start the circle command, you can just type C in your command line, or you can just click the icons. Click anywhere on your screen and then type D for the diameter and then type 5. Next is 13 and 15 circle. Now before we proceed with other drawings, let's draw the 4 circles. We will just make this first one and then just do the polar array. So this circle is positioned 45 degrees from the center. So make sure your dynamic input and your F10 or polar tracking is turned on. So click in the middle and then look for 45 degrees. Click and enter. Now let's create the 2 and 4 circle. 2. Erase. And then do the polar array. Select objects. Enter. Center point. Change the items into 4. And then press enter and then close the array. Now these two big circles, 59 and 55 diameter. And then we need the guidelines to create this part here. So it says 36 degrees. So we will be using the UCSICON. So you move your cursor to the X and Y. If it's turned yellow, right click, go to 3 point. Here, this is the X and this will be the Y. Now click line, click here, and then move the cursor to locate the 36 degrees. And then click, then press enter. Right click again to the X and Y and then select world. Now we will just mirror this angle line. So mirror, this is our mirror line. And then no. And then let's do the fillet. The radius is 4. Type 4. And then fillet again for the corners. Radius is 1. Let's not erase that one. So let's do the polar array again. Center point. So the default is 6 and we need 6. So just press enter. Now we need to make this circle here. So just gonna click it there. So this is an AutoCAD file. So I can just match the properties from here going there. So what you need to do is select the match properties, click this line, and then just select what you need to copy and then enter. Now I want to put hatch on my drawings, but I need to get rid of this drawing before I hatch it. So what I will do, I will transfer this to the def points. You need to highlight it first and then click the def points and then turn off the bulb. Layer properties, I will explain this to you once we are already on exercise 13 and 14. I think it's when we will draw a floor plan. If you would open your AutoCAD, or if you are following my tutorial, if you click here in your AutoCAD program, there's a def points. You can just do or follow what I did. So now let's do the hatches. Let's go back. So if you click this arrow, you can go to the gradient. And then select all the spaces. And oops, what happened? And then we will just match this gradient going here. This one. Enter. And then you turn on the bulb. Send this to back. Click it and then send to draw order. Send to back. And there you go. So before we end this tutorial, I want to show to you the compiled drawing reference. So this is the drawing that I've been following. So I compile it all together in one file. So if you want a copy of this drawing, kindly comment down below, and I can share to you through your personal email, or you can find my FB pages and send me a personal message so I can share to you this reference drawing that I'm using. So we are now on our exercise 11. So this is exercise 11. So I'll show to you the upcoming exercises or tutorial. So this is our exercise 12, 13, floor plan, 14, 15 is isometric, and then we have a special project to create a simple bike, a car, and a chairs and table for our isometric. So that's all for now. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you will be updated for the upcoming tutorials. So thank you for watching, and God bless.